Good morning, friends. Buenos días, amigos. Let's read our morning message. Leamos nuestro mensaje de la mañana. Remember, I read first and then you go. Recuerden que yo primero lo leo y después ustedes. Good morning, friends. Your turn. My turn. Today is Wacky Wednesday. Your turn. All together, love, Miss Escobar. Todos juntos, con amor, Miss Escobar. Now that we're all done with our morning message, let's review our Give Me 5 rules. Ahora que terminamos con nuestro mensaje de la mañana, repasemos nuestras reglas de Dame 5. Okay, I know that you're ready to learn if you're sitting in your pockets. Sé que están listos para aprender si están bien sentados. Catch in a bubble, una burbuja en la boca. Eyes on the teacher, ojos a la maestra. Hands to yourself, manos a ti mismo. And listening ears, oídos escuchando. If you're giving me 5, that means that you are ready to begin. Okay, now let's review our words that we have learned, and we have 2 new words to learn today. You ready? The first word is bucket. Can you say bucket? ¿Pueden decir bucket? Significa cubeta. That means cubeta in Spanish. It's an open container made out of metal or plastic used to carry liquids. Bucket. Bucket. Beautiful. Next one, mud. Can you say mud? ¿Pueden decir mud? Mud is lodo in Spanish. Soil and water mixed together. It feels slimy. Mud. Next one, strawberries. Can you say strawberries? A soft, juicy red fruit. ¿Pueden decir strawberries? Can you say strawberries? Good job. Next one, puddle. Can you say puddle? ¿Pueden decir puddle? It is a hole with water. Puddle. Un charco. Puddle. Shoes. Can you say shoes? Oops. Shoes. ¿Pueden decir shoes? Objects we wear on our feet. It helps you protect your feet. Shoes. This is one of our new words. Wet. Can you say wet? Covered in water. Wet. Mojado. Wet. And our last word is blueberries. Can you say blueberries? ¿Pueden decir blueberries? Small dark blue fruits that grow on bushes. Blueberries. Let's count and see how many words we have learned so far. 1. Contemos juntos y vamos a ver cuántas hemos aprendido. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have learned 7 words. Can you show me 7 with your fingers? It's a 5 and a 2. 5 and 2. This is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or you can do 4 and a 3. 4 and 3 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful. Contemos a ver cuántas palabras hemos aprendido. Let's do it in Spanish. Hagámoslo en español. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Enséñeme 7 con sus dedos. Es el 5 y 2. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. O pueden hacer 4 y 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Beautiful. Now that we have learned and reviewed our words, it is time to read our book. Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much he sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Red, rojo. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue, azul. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. You can sing with me. Pueden cantar conmigo. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown, café. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking away and singing his song. You can sing with me. Canten conmigo. I love my brown shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown, and all the blue, and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? White, but now they are wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Sing with me, canten conmigo. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. The moral of Pete's story is no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Because it's all good. The end. Now let's see how fast we can go. I want you to say the words with me. Quiero que digan las palabras. Ready? Go. Blueberries. Can you say blueberries? Bucket. Can you say bucket? Pueden decir bucket. Strawberries. Can you say strawberries? Digan strawberries. Shoes. Can you say shoes? Pueden decir shoes. Wet. Can you say wet? Pueden decir wet. Puddle. Can you say puddle? Puddle. Pueden decir puddle. And our last one is mud. Can you say mud? Pueden decir mud. Great job listening, friends. Now, the question for today. Ahora, excelente trabajo escuchando, amigos. Ahora la pregunta del día es, why do you think Pete the Cat keeps singing? ¿Por qué crees que Pete the Cat continúa cantando? So, to show your work, you can choose one of the two options that we have here. Para enseñar su trabajo, pueden escoger una de las dos opciones que tenemos aquí. You can draw a picture. Pueden hacer un dibujo. So you can draw a picture of you of answering the question, why do you think he keeps singing? Or you can record a short video answering the question. O pueden grabar un pequeño video respondiendo la pregunta. I'm going to read the question again. Voy a leer de nuevo la pregunta. Why do you think Pete the Cat keeps singing? ¿Por qué crees que Pete the Cat Continúa cantando. I cannot wait to see your amazing work. No puedo esperar ver su trabajo maravilloso. We'll see you tomorrow. Adiós. Goodbye, friends.